Most of the traditional teaching methods are ineffective and discouraging. They only concentrate on the quantity instead of quality. Moreover, it is hard for teachers to cater individual students' learning pace and ability. Therefore, this weakens the learning motivation of students. If learning is boring, how can students learn proactively and efficiently? The third strategy on IT in education, launched by EDB in 2008, encouraged the implementation of e-learning to improve the effectiveness and efficiency in learning. However, there are already many e-learning materials in the market. Most of the e-learning materials are just purely transformation of the worksheets and homework into e-format. These haven't fully taken the advantages of e-learning. Starwish Little Prince e-learning series uses interactive games to implement the learning materials. The fantastic adventure stories, attractive graphics and exciting animations are the key elements to raise learning interest of students. Moreover, the new multiplayer feature in the online series is a pioneering concept that allows students to learn with others through games. Our platform is designed to help students to learn according to their ability, progress and interest. They can choose what they are good at to have higher level training. In the meanwhile, they can also use their strengths to improve their weaknesses. This helps the teacher to cater the learning diversity. Starwish Little Prince e-learning series provides many positive features that traditional learning cannot offer. We will keep on developing quality e-learning platforms to help students enjoy learning in an effective and efficient way.